Everybody's doing yoga. They think they'll get spiritual enlightenment in one day on the beach. This guy is Jorge. They'll get super enlightenment. Good luck, Stacy. Have fun. Enjoy. This is Erica. She's writing a book on laughter. There's a bunch of people who are spoiling our weekend by construction on a weekend from Mexico, and they just throw paper in the water. There's hooray! All these cars of people that arrived. There's where we do our night stuff, cooking and stuff, whatever. Oh, the dog's gone there now. Inside. This guy's name is Gautam. He's got an Indian name because he lived in an Indian ashram in Pittsburgh. This is Ariana. She is a mother to this little puppy. His name is Austin. 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 He's afraid of me. This is Cassie. Good morning, Cassie. How are you? Hey, cutie. What? Austin. What do you want? Here, look at this.
Yeah, we didn't know if it was coming down. It's boiling. Yeah, thank you. Like pretty heavy.
Okay, and of course that's me, the narrator of this journalistic recording. And that's cereal with a lot of sugar loaded in it and carbs.